Ako ba yung gago for asking my BF na i-cut off yung tropa niya na used to be his ex? This happened 4 months ago pa pero hanggang ngayon nasa isip ko pa rin. Me and my boyfriend have been dating for more than half a year already. We had past relationships before kami magkakilala. We both had ex-girlfriends. Bisexual po ako. Mindset ko na dati pa na walang problema sa akin na if yung partner ko is friends with her ex. Pero I don't know why nagbago yun ever since I started dating my boyfriend. So itong si boyfriend ko, nagkaroon siya ng GF and they dated for more than half a year. Siya yung first girlfriend, first na pinakilala sa magulang, first kiss, first cuddle, first sexual experience and all. After nila mag-break, never na siya nagkaroon ng GF ulit. Nung una, wala pa akong pakialam doon sa ex-GF niya. Pero I found out that they're in the same circle. At pina-follow ng BF ko both yung main and dump account ng ex niya na yon. I even saw na nilike din pala ng BF ko yung post niya and vice versa. Nilalike din ng ex yung post ng BF ko. Gamit pa both main and dumps account pa. Hindi dahil sa wala akong tiwala sa boyfriend ko, pero I felt extremely uncomfortable noong nalaman ko lahat ng yun. Para akong sinuntok sa sikmura. Dagdag na siguro sa anxious and negative thoughts ko yung nasa LDR setup kami ng BF ko. Mm, I definitely understand where you're coming from with this na kung saan ka nanggagaling. Um, ang tanong dito, are you not confident with your current relationship with him? Now, lahat naman nagdadaan dito kahit ako dumaan dito. And definitely, nakaka-jealous nga naman or nakaka-worry na yung ex niya ay friend pa rin niya. Lalo na kung yung ex na yun is someone na may lahat ng first sa current boyfriend mo. Pero yun nga, it all boils down to, are you not confident enough sa relasyon nyo? Kasi yung having him block or having him cut off yung ex niya, I think is something na shows weakness or shows na natatakot ka na hindi ka 100% with what you have right now. Kasi kung iisipin mo, nung nakilala mo siya, they were still friends. So part of what you liked about your boyfriend is him having or is him being with that girlfriend. And the reason why you liked him most probably was molded by the people that he has been with before. Kung sino yung mga nakasama niya, sino yung naging partner niya, sino yung mga naging kaibigan niya. That has molded him to be someone that you like. So, um, definitely, nag-play ng part yung GF na to or yung past ex na to kung sino siya ngayon at bakit mo siya ginusto, di ba? Now, definitely, hindi ka naman siguro gago pag i-cut off mo yung tropa niya. Pero, based from experience, mm, not the fact that it shows weakness, ah. There is a reason bakit yung boyfriend mo is still friends with his ex kahit kayo na. And some people would make it out as a bad thing na parang, kasi mahal pa niya, kasi there's something between them pa. But rather, baka yung reason is kasi tiwala siya sa nararamdaman niya sa'yo. You know what I mean? Ang isang caveat naman or isang kalaban mo naman dyan, malamang iniisip mo, baka in the future, may door open pa para sa ex niya na to. Baka mamaya siya maging dahilan or yan ang maging dahilan na magkahiwalay kayo. Pero I don't think that's gonna happen just as long as you stay the same and you make sure that you're still who you are and you're still the person that he loved from the beginning. Me personally, mas confident pa nga ako pag yung ex niya friend niya kaysa yung ex niya hindi niya nakikita. Kung ako nasa sitwasyon mo, in fact, baka kaibiganin ko pa yung ex just to be sure na nakikita ko kung ano ba yung sitwasyon. And then, if I see something wrong, I'll be open with my partner na, parang mali yan kasi nagsiselos na ako or what. Pero at least, he knows that I trust him And he knows that I'm confident with the love that we have. Yan lang.